Hello Kenneth, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for you for this 2017 Can Am Spyder F3. The kilometers is 9,071 kilometers and the price is 16,988 plus HST and licensing. This unit is available at this time, comes with a fully safety certified, and is the manual transmission, so has clutch. It's very clean. Carfax is very clean, never been an accident, and brand new tires all across. If you want me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you.